Dzogchen, the Great Perfection. The practice of Dzogchen is the most ancient and direct stream of wisdom within the Buddhist tradition of Tibet. Sogyal Rinpoche describes it as the heart essence of all spiritual paths and the summit of an individual's spiritual evolution, as a way in which to realize the innermost nature of mind. That which we really are. Dzogchen is the clearest, most effective, and most relevant to the modern world. Dzogchen is both the final and ultimate teaching, and the heart of the teachings of all the Buddhas, though generally associated with the Nyingma or ancient school of Tibetan Buddhism, founded by Padmasambhava. The ultimate source of the teachings of Dzogchen is the primordial Buddha Samantabhadra, whilst the root of Dzogchen is the 6,400,000 verses. The actual tantras are said to number 22,000.